Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribe. I'm Arun Kumar. In this video, I'm going to give you a very quick information about engineering. As you know that engineering consists of different types of branches such as CSE, ECE, EEE, mechanical, civil, petroleum, chemical, and in 2020 and 2021, as you know that different types of branches are introduced in our states, Telugu states such as Telangana and Andhra. As you know that there are different types of branches in computer science itself such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, cyber security, and IT programs. These all comes under software branches, and just the names are different. If you wanted to become software engineer, you can also join in such branches. In CSE, there are different types of parts. As you know that due to demand of computer science, this all college management had decided to increase the seats in CSE in the form of different branches. As you know that artificial intelligence, cyber security, these are parts of CSE only, and IT, machine learning, deep learning, these all are parts of software only. And as we know that in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh there are a huge amount of engineering college, and after completion of counseling, most of the students and parents are preferring to get admitted in computer science. So all the colleges started demanding to increase their computer science seats against government. So they introduced different types of branches such as AI, machine learning, deep learning, cyber security. But it doesn't mean that it's a separate education. All these branches comes under computer science only. If you wanted to become software engineer, you mustn't should take such type of branches. And also, if you wanted to become software engineer, it does not mandatory that you mustn't should study CSA only. Even though if you are from core branches such as ECE, electronic telecommunication or electronic communication or EEE or any other core branches, you can also become software engineer by learning coding along with your core part. So it depends upon you. So if you wanted to get practical knowledge, you mustn't should study in IITs and NITs only. But if you wanted to get just certificate or degree, or if you wanted to get if you wanted to placed in a normal college, if you wanted to do a job, then there are many engineering affiliated colleges in affiliated colleges such as there are many different types, many JNT affiliated colleges in Telangana and Andhra. There are different types of JNT such as JNT Hyderabad, JNT Anantapur, JNT Kakinada. If you wanted to get just degree, you can also study in such type of colleges, and the entry requirement is, the eligibility criteria is, you must and should crack MSET, local MSET such as Telangana and Andhra MSET. But if you wanted to gain practical knowledge and if you wanted to improve your career, you must and should study in IIT. You must and should target to crack JEE mains and advance in 12th after completion of 12th. So if you are the student, if you wanted to gain practical knowledge, you must and should study in IIT such as IIT Mumbai, IIT Chennai, IIT Delhi or NIT Varangal. There are many IITs and NIT Raipur. There are many IITs and NITs. It depends upon you. But if you wanted to just gain theoretical knowledge, there are many colleges which are affiliated to JNTU. So it depends upon you. But the only thing I wanted to conclude is, if you wanted to get practical knowledge, you must and should study in IITs and NITs only. After that, there are many universities. But if you are studying in normal private engineering college, you can't gain any practical knowledge. You only gain theoretical knowledge which helps you to score marks in exams, but not, you can't gain any practical knowledge. So it depends upon you. So once again, pandemic is not yet completed, so stay safe and stay home, and must be connected with me. I'll be uploading more and more videos regarding these educational efforts and international efforts also. So until then, stay safe, stay home. Bharat Mata ki jai, Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.